Oh, dude, do something, Fred, because this is not a good look, bro. Yo, Bailey with the 5, appreciate you. All right. You're like a brother to me, and you know I'm dating. Here would be my response. Yeah, I'm so sorry about that. I'll never bring it up again. I'll be a brother to you. You gonna cut off the conversation? Do I hear footsteps? He's wearing a poop killer outfit. I'm a big fan. How y'all doing? Welcome to 616 Market. We hope y'all find everything good. We're running a sale that's 2 for 10% off on that aisle.